Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace cabin air filter on 2012 Lincoln MKS. This is gonna apply to Lincoln MKS made from 2010 and all the way up to 2012. It is also gonna be similar to Lincoln MKS made from 2013 and all the way up to 2016. Cabin air filter on this vehicle is located on the passenger side, just behind the glove box. So first we're gonna have to open the glove box. Now on this model we don't have a damper arm or damper cord, which you're gonna find usually on newer models, so on models from 2013 and up. This model, it only has two stoppers on each side. So one stopper is right here and the other stop is right there. To remove that stopper, you will simply have to pull it out. Just lift it a little bit and pull it straight up. And we're gonna do exactly the same on the other side. Just wanna pull it up. Once you have both stoppers out, you gently wanna pull down the glove box. Now at this point we have access to cabin air filter cover, which is this piece right there. So this cover is attached with two brackets. One is right here, another one is right here. So you wanna go underneath here or this side and just wanna pull it out. So one bracket is here, just on at the edge. Stick your finger underneath and pry it out. We're going to do the same with this one. So once when it's detached, you just want to remove it. Now you can see like it's gonna latch on the bottom, and these two pins will go right here inside there. And now I'm gonna remove my old filter. Just wanna pinch it and pull it out, and try to remember and see how this one was installed. As you can see, the arrow is pointing down. And now you grab your new cabin air filter, make sure the arrow is pointing down, and you just want to slide it right in. You want to make sure it's aligned properly, and then it's gonna go inside very nice and smooth. Make sure it's all the way in, and when that is done, you want to put the plastic cover back on. So with the plastic cover, you want to attach the top part first and then just press it in until it clicks on both sides. Make sure that's all the way in, it clicked in, it's closed and secured. And now I'm just gonna put back those stoppers on each side. So you wanna lift up your glove box. So you wanna lift it up a little bit and just insert it back into the slot until it clicks. And now we'll do the same on the other side. And that's it. The job is completed. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.